Good evening, everyone. My name is Tarun Pal Gandhi, and in this particular video, we will be discussing about the traffic education. So stay tuned with us and watch the video till end. Undoubtedly, the innovation of wheel has brought drastic changes in transportation of goods as well as people. Due to increase in population, industrialization, urbanization, and globalization, there is a heavy increase in vehicular traffic. So systematic regulation is required to ensure free flow of traffic. Regulation is nothing but to ensure that every road user follow traffic rules. It is the responsibility of every end user of the road to follow traffic rules. Now, what is traffic? Movement of any object from one place to another is called traffic. Likewise, movement of any vehicle from one place to another place on the road is road traffic. Now, what is traffic education? Traffic education describes the traffic rules and regulations in a clear and simple way. Have you ever seen an accident on the road? If so, how did they get hurt? Think about why had the accident happened. Need and significance of traffic education. As young people become more independent, they are exposed to increased risk. Especially teenagers are an important group of road users. Many are unaware that road incidents are the biggest cause for the serious accidents and deaths. It is necessary to teach all the road safety measures clearly to avoid accidents. Traffic chaos. You have to go to school in the morning. If you are late, you miss your you are stuck in a traffic jam. What will you do? Students, employees, laborers, teachers, doctors, and all are affected by traffic jams. Footpaths are considered a boon for pedestrian, but sometimes motorists drive on these sidewalks also. Stray animals, fruits, and vegetable sellers, private vehicles like cars, auto rickshaws, often found parking at no parking zones, are the main cause for traffic jams. As there is an increase in population and use of automobiles, there has been a rapid increase in the volume of traffic on roads. To avoid accidents, one must know the prescribed rules and regulations. Necessity of driving license. No person shall drive a motor vehicle unless he or she holds a driving license. Types of driving licenses. 1. Learner's license. This is temporary license valid up to 6 months issued to learn driving motor vehicle. Second, permanent license. One becomes eligible for permanent license after 1 month from the date of issuing the learner's license. Documents required for learner's license are residential proof, attested copy of the following: ration card, electricity bill, tax receipt, life insurance policy, voter ID card, passport, Aadhaar card, age proof attested copies of the following: school certificate, passport, birth certificate, Aadhaar card, PAN card of income tax or any of them. Some important provisions of law. It is an offence to drive a vehicle without procuring a driving license. Age limit for motor vehicle above 50 cc is 18 years. Age limit for transport vehicle is 25 years. Forms to be submitted from 1, 1A, 2, and 3 are to be submitted with prescribed details and passport photographs. After verification of the above documents, a learner's test and color blindness test will be conducted. A learning license is issued to the applicant who qualifies in the prescribed test. Permanent license. Permanent license will be issued only after having a valid learner's license. One should apply for the permanent license after 30 days, but within 80 days from the date of issue of the learner's license. One more important thing is that one should be conversant about the traffic rules and regulations. Driving after a drink, drunk drive. Driving after a drink, 28-year-old Mukesh is a party buff and likes to go out with his friends every weekend. But of late, he is worried about returning home after the party, as the very sight of the traffic police at the street corners sends jitters down his spine. This is not the case of just Mukesh, but many liquor consumers are now thinking twice before going to a party. How breath analyzer works. When a person drinks alcohol, it is absorbed into the blood and is circulated throughout the body. As this blood reaches the lungs, the breath we exhale carries traces of alcohol, which is measured by the gadget. In a way, the exhaled breath would contain alcohol traces along with carbon dioxide. These machines can pick up even the slightest traces of alcohol. Police officers cannot delete the record in breath analyzer even if he wants to help the victim. Punishment of drunken driving. Enable the officials to seize the vehicle of the drunken driver to attend court and pay the penalty imposed. Cancellation of the regional transport authority can disqualify persons from holding driving license or revoke the same if the person driving license is a habitual drunkard, is an addict to any narcotic drugs, is using a vehicle in the commission of cognizable offense, is driving dangerously, is using the vehicle without registration, is not giving any information required to the police, is not shifting the victim of the accident in which his or her vehicle is involved to the nearest hospital, does not produce the following certificates on demand by police: certificate of insurance, certificate of registration, driving license, pollution certificate, etc. Traffic signs, mandatory signs, informational signs, and cautionary signs. There are basically three types of signs. As you can see on this particular slide, we have pasted mandatory signs, Red circles instruct what should not be done. As you can see, there are five type of signs here which you should not follow and which you should not done on the roads. As you can see, this is the informational signs. As you can see, there are five types of information signs I have mentioned in this particular slide. These are the cautionary signs. As you can see, there are five type of cautionary signs on this particular slide. Advice to drivers: stick to the left lane and leave the right lane to faster traffic. Never overtake from the left side. Wear a helmet for a safety journey. Use only less carbon monoxide emission vehicles. Do not use horn unnecessarily. Heavy vehicle used should also always use seat belts. Do not jump traffic signals. Keep your vehicle in good condition. Necessity for registration: no person shall drive any motor vehicle unless it is registered. How registration is made? Temporary registration: the following documents are necessary for the registration: copy of sales certificate, copy of roadworthiness certificate, copy of valid insurance certificate, pollution under control certificate, copy of address set proof. Permanent registration: an application for the registration of motor vehicle shall be made to the registered authority within a period of 1 month by producing the certificates which are submitted at the time of temporary registration. Road marking signs: road surface markings are used on paved roads to provide guidance and information to drive and pedestrians. Uniformity of the marking is an important factor in minimizing the confusion and uncertainty. Divisions of road: number one, footpath. It is laid on either side of the road for the use of pedestrian. Its width is about 2 meter. Road divider: the road is divided into two parts or two halves with cement slabs. Zebra crossing: zebra crossing is a place where the pedestrian cross the road. These are laid at places where traffic is heavy. Traffic signals: a traffic light, traffic signal, or a stop light is a signatory device positioned at the road intersection to indicate when it is safe to drive through. Follow traffic signals at the junction, such as red, stop before line; orange, get ready to go; green, move the vehicle. As you can see, all these lights on this particular slide: red, yellow, and green. Road safety: India has the second largest road network in the world. As road users are not aware of the traffic rules, it is lead to high toll of the death it victims. Hurdle of road safety: first, negligence of civilians, pathetic condition of roads, unsafe vehicle design, and under implementation of road safety standards, lack of proper enforcement of laws, lack of emergency services. Rules for pedestrian: walk on the footpath. If footpath is not available and the road is narrow, walk on the right side of the road watching the oncoming traffic. Must use reflective clothing at night when walking outside build up area. Always carry a torch while walking at night time. Do look for safe place to cross and look left and right and listen for traffic. Let any traffic coming in either direction. Walk briskly straight across the road when it is clear and continue to watch and listen for walking. Use zebra lines for crossing roads. Don't use the mobile in any form while walking, crossing, either listening to songs. Take the help of the traffic police while crossing the road. Pedestrian: do not walk on roads in inebriated condition. Rules for motorcycles: must hold a valid driving license. Must have insurance cover before your driver your motorcycle or moped on a public road. Riders should wear properly fitted and secured helmet. Carry only pillion passenger who must sit on a proper seat. So this is it for the today. We have discussed all the traffic rules with you in detail. Thank you so much for watching and listening. May God bless you all, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in future. Thank you so much.